Where's Gabe?
Oh, magical Miss Cleo.
Oh, hello. Welcome back to the Braille Skateboarding YouTube channel. My name is Gabe Cruz. This is Chris McNugget Perez. This is Fetty Potter, Carlos Lastra, and Nigel Ryan Jones. We're gonna be playing a game of skate roulette. If you don't know what that is, it's our very own skateboarding card game.
I farted.
Nigel.
I thought I was smelling lasagna, but that was your butt, dude.
Goodness. Anyways, so skate roulette is our very own Braille card game. So we have 4 stacks of cards. We have a trick pile, a stance pile, a obstacle pile, and a weird pile. These 4 gentlemen are gonna Rochambeau to see who goes first, and whoever goes first is going to first draw a card. Big spin.
Oh, God.
And the point of this game is to be the first person to collect 10 cards. Let's say you can do a big spin. You can say, oh, okay, let me do a big spin, and you get to keep this card. Or you want the chance to collect more. So you say, oh, let me change up my stance. Nollie big spin. Okay, that's still pretty easy. You can just do that and take 2 cards. Or you can say, let me do it on a weird board. Let's get a weird something, and this weird card happens to say, select an additional card.
That's
so,
smart.
Oh, dang, I can click another one.
I would just
pick another weird one. Shoes tied together. So then you have to do a
It's
nollie
over.
big spin with shoes tied together. Or you can pick an obstacle as the last one on the small box. Then you'd have to do a nollie big spin with your shoes tied on a small box. And if you land that, you get to keep all 5 cards.
You have 5 turns. No, but you have
Let's
5
play.
turns to do it.
I think in the first 30 seconds of you explaining that, it was clear.
No, you needed that though, because now for each card you pick though, you get a turn.
Yes. Now I have 5 cards drawn. You have a potential to win 5 cards, but you have 5 tries. And those are all the rules. Carlos, what are you...
How did you even get up there, you monkey?
Can we not do this right now? So I'm gonna put these back into the pile, so no one complains that I'm not being fair here.
I wanted all those cards except for shoes tied together.
My boy. 4 contestants, Nigel, Carlos, Fetty, and Chris Rochambeau right now. Carlos is first.
I'm kind of bummed. I got a sprained ankle.
Nigel's last. McNug is second, and Fetty is third. All right, Carlos, go ahead. Right about now. 50-50.
It's a combo card, so you can get another one of these.
I can't do any flip tricks right now, so I'll just stick with the ollie.
Fakey.
Fakey.
You have been working on those.
We got 2 tries.
You won an obstacle.
Dude,
Ooh.
over a friend?
Over a friend.
Not me.
If you had to do it over a friend, that would require me being his friend. I don't know that man right now. Who dat? I know his dog though. Aussie, I'm sorry. You're required real quick. If you have Aussie slide his legs into that box, I'll give it to you. Because then you're doing a 50-50 over him because his legs are on the box, under the box. As a ref, I will allow that. And we've come up with the answer to the situation.
You basically have to put your leg like this.
Just one leg?
Yeah, fit out.
I don't even think I can bend like that. Don't break my leg, please.
All right, Carlos, you have 3 tries to land this fakey 50-50 over Aussie Dan for 3 cards. Done it. Good job. You get 3 cards, Carlos. And remember, the #1 rule of skate roulette is do not put the cards in your pocket because they will get soggy and stick together. Okay, let's get it.
Great. Double flip.
Double flip?
Flip. Do I don't have to pick a stance.
You
do I?
You don't have to.
Whatever you want.
just have to pick a trick.
Well, honestly, I can only like regular double flip and fakie, so I'm just gonna try and double flip flat ground right here.
Deal. Uh-oh. Fetty, you're up.
All right, laser flip. Watch. 5-0.
Okay.
The 5
5
step.
step.
Okay.
Proper. Fetty's now in the game with 2 cards. Count them, 2. Nigel, you're up.
Kickflip.
Oh, perfect.
Varial kickflip, kickflip. Was that varial double flip?
Yes,
If
it
it's
would be.
varial kickflip, kickflip?
He got a varial kickflip and it was a combo card, so you can add another trick to it. He got another kickflip, therefore it's a nightmare flip.
Please be anything but nollie or switch. Regular.
You better hope it's a kicker.
Oh yeah, huh?
Bank!
Oh, that's the best.
That is the best, luckiest combo. If I were in this game, I'd have 4 points.
You got 4 tries as well.
Nigel has 3 more tries to land the nightmare flip for 4 cards.
I know complied it.
Oh, 1 more try.
I don't know how people do that one.
All right, Carlos. You're gonna do me a solid and pick laser flip, so I know I won't get it.
Nose manual.
Ooh. Regular nose manual, okay.
Handrail.
I didn't know as many had.
Nose grind.
You got nose manual, regular stance, handrail obstacle. So if you nose grind the handrail, I will give it to you. 3 tries.
And the biggest.
But he can't scrape his nose. It has to be balanced.
So gotta add the biggest rule. If you don't want to try the trick, you lose a card.
3 tries or die.
If your front truck touches and your back truck does not, I will give it to you.
Committing though, he's going for it.
That's still sick.
Yeah.
50-50 scary, but if you're on a nose grind, you're like this. You're literally looking at the ground.
All right, guys. Let's see if luck is on my side this time around. Shove it.
So
Shove it.
I'm gonna add a stance. Regulado.
Well, there's a lot of regulars.
A lot of regulars, so that means
I'm gonna do regular shove it.
that's it.
I have 2 tries.
2 tries. Okay,
Handrail.
so this is like weird boards. So that we count the penny board as a weird board, like the big one.
This guy is not on my team at all.
He's definitely trying to get you.
Yeah, he
to
is.
this
No,
card.
That wasn't that bad either.
Plus
so.
2.
All right, let's laser flip.
Is it?
Are you serious? That's what you get.
Quarter pipe.
Fetty has 2 tries to do a laser flip and quarter pipe.
That was close. Lucky.
Feeble grind.
5 was just last. Fakey feeble.
Fakey feeble. So Nigel has 2 tries of fakey feeble on the mini ramp. If he lands it, he gets 2 cards. All right, let's be toast.
It's gonna be heel flip. Feeling heel flip. No slide. Board slide.
Where'd my card?
Nollie board slide.
Carlos, put them back.
I didn't put those back.
You just put
Oh
them
no,
back.
they're on the bottom.
Those are my cards.
Sorry. I forget, but they're on the bottom. Not finessing nobody. Okay, obstacle. Small box.
So Carlos has 3 tries to land a nollie board slide on this box right here, the small box. Good. So Carlos is now up to 6 cards. We only need 4 more. You guys got to get in the zone now. It's crunch time.
All right, trick.
All right. 3 flip. Good one.
Stance for sure. Regulado.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm gonna just go for the obstacle because I can tray flip.
All right, and
How do you tray flip a rail?
tray flip over the rail, tray flip hippie.
This is like the worst obstacle
That
ever.
was definitely the worst obstacle ever. Yeah, as long as you go over the rail somehow.
All right, I'm gonna put the rail over that box and tray flip off of it.
We just want this game to be fun. We're not too strict about the rules, you know?
I am highly appreciative
So,
of that.
yes. Oh, swole.
Whose man's is that?
Yep, so if you 3 flip over that in 3 tries, you get to walk away with 3 cards, my
I'm
friend.
gonna do that.
So you're at 5 now, huh? Very nice. Okay.
Heel flip.
Heel flip,
Oh, wow.
okay.
Push Mongo.
Oh,
Ooh, combo.
nice.
Combo. Okay.
Mongo.
Push regular.
Okay,
Combo.
Combo.
Nollie.
Nollie.
Okay.
Okay. So what he has to do is he has to push Mongo, push regular, and then do a nollie heel flip, and he has 4 tries to do it, and he can get 4 cards right now. Okay, there's the Mongo. There's the regular. There's the Mongo. There's the regular.
I hate nollie heels.
Alright, there's the Mongo. There's the regular.
I can't nollie heel today.
You got this right here. There's the Mongo. There's the regular. Oh, that one hurt. All right, let's get it, Nigel. Varial heel flip.
come on, man.
Stance. Switch. Skateboard.
Over a skateboard.
What?
Okay.
Is that? It's just a skate on a skateboard.
On a skateboard?
Nigel has 3 tries to do a switch varial heel on a skateboard. Almost.
Wow. I
One
like
more
how I
try.
didn't even pop it. Now I'm not gonna land it probably.
Count it. So I believe Nigel is now at 5 cards. He takes 2nd place along with Chris McNugget. The leading card holder, Carlos Lastra, is up to choose.
Cardless.
Card.
Stance, regular.
Luckiest card.
The 3 stair. Weird.
Blindfolded.
Blindfolded ollie down the 3
Hey.
stair
Here,
for
put-
the win.
Put this over your face.
The luck of Carlos's draw has just been there today.
I know. I backed him up on that. I called 3 stair and it popped
Yeah,
out.
I'm
That's
not. I'm not mad though. I feel like we're not really safe right here.
cool. No, not when he's blind.
doing it another way to prove his authenticity.
He has holes in his hands, he's cheating.
Carlos just won right there. Well done. With that blindfolded ollie down the 3 stair, Carlos Lastra is our victor. Let's give him a hand. There's some videos right there to my left. Go ahead and click them and enjoy them. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below if you want to see another episode of Skate Roulette. We will see you in tomorrow's video. You are the best.